Welcome back to another PC Classic Cars test drive. Today we are driving the 1971 Plymouth Roadrunner in Sassy Grass Green. As far as Mopars go, this is one of my favorite body styles. If I was going to own a Mopar personally, I would have a 71 Roadrunner. It'd have to be factory black, but I love this body style. This 71 Roadrunner has the numbers matching 383 and then 727 automatic. It does have a air grabber hood on it. It is an electric air grabber. It does have the little toggle switch underneath the dash right here. It is not a factory N96 air grabber car, so that was added, but it functions properly and it works well. As far as a 71 Roadrunner goes, this car drives absolutely fantastic. It's a really, really nice, tight driving car. The motor has plenty of power. Transmission shift's really nice and positive. It does have a little bit of a converter. Don't know exactly the specs on it. It's got a little bit of a loose converter in it. But plenty of gear to hop on the highway and cruise at 70, 75 miles an hour. Another really cool thing about this Roadrunner, it is factory AC. The AC has been converted to R134A and it blows cold. Nice dual exhaust, nice set of mufflers, and it has the machine gun tips, which is classic for these 71 Roadrunners. 71, 72 Roadrunners, the machine gun tips look really, really cool. All your gauges and all your lights are working. Temperature gauge is coming up good. It does have the Roadrunner beep beep horn. Really impressed with the way that this car drives. It's just a well-sorted car. Fender tag is on it, matches the VIN, matches the core support number. Unfortunately, I don't have the original build sheet or the original window sticker. I have a copy of the originals for both of those. So at some point, the original stuff got lost in translation and is not with the car anymore. I've tried to track it down, but I haven't had any luck. But I do have the copies, and I do have the original fender tag, which is really nice, and it's on the fender where it's supposed to go. I will say the electric air grabber works really well. The rod that opens and closes it could be tightened up a little bit. As you see, the air grabber moves a little bit going down the road. When the air starts getting in there, it kind of pulls it open a little bit further. But that right there is as far as it will open it with the electric rod. So it just needs to be adjusted where it opens it fully. Get on here a little bit. Really, really fun car to drive. Have your slapstick shifter, buckets console. The white interior is very, very clean. It shows really well. Console's nice. White matching headliner, white sun visors. You have your black dash, which looks really, really clean with no cracks. Carpet's really clean, has the Roadrunner mats in it. just overall cosmetically, inside and outside, is really, really clean. Paint on it, I don't know exactly when it's done or when it was done. There's a few little nicks and a few little flaws, but the quality of the paint and body, they did a really nice job, and it was done with a purpose whenever it was done. Normally when it comes to a Mopar big block, I prefer a 440 like most people, but this particular 383 runs really, really strong. And then having factory air is really cool. I actually have it blowing right now. It's nice and cold. Good oil pressure, temperature's coming up good, showing good voltage. It is a just a speedometer, no tach. Underside is really, really clean and really, really solid. Didn't find any rust issues whatsoever. Just a good, clean, solid car. The trunk is also really nice, and it's painted sassy grass green like the rest of the outside. Door jambs inside the trunk. Looks like everything was painted at the same time. And it all matches really, really well and has a really good shine to it and a good quality. Taking it down our bumpy road here. Drives like a Mopar going down a bumpy road. No weird rattles, no weird sounds. But this is a big heavy car going down the road and it feels really good. Like I always touch on, I like to talk about the glass. It's really easy to see out of. The windshield is really crisp and really clean. No rock chips, no windshield scarring. Both of the side windows are really clean and easy to look out of. They roll up and down like they should. This particular body style from Mopars in the last couple years have really, really popped in value. I love keeping these cars, the 71, 72 Roadrunners, GTXs. They are a little bit of a more difficult car to buy because they have gotten so expensive. There's a bunch of project ones that you can find, or you find one that's already fully restored and people want a lot of money. So this is a good quality car for the price point. Just has a really good look. The green, obviously the air grabber, and then white interior with the white stripe on the outside. Just a really good looking car. Oh, it's really nice. Suspension feels really good. Steering feels really nice and tight, like I said before. Get this mat out of the way here so I don't get my foot off caught. This is a really easy car to drive. I will say, when you drive these cars, more so than a lot of other stuff, especially with the high impact colors and just the uniqueness of how these cars look, you do get a lot of looks when you drive something like this. And you gotta love the beep beep horn. As always, I really appreciate you guys stopping in to watch another one of our test drive videos. If there's anything that y'all want to see in particular, leave me a comment, shoot me a text, 903-820-1019. If y'all don't already follow us, we're on all the social platforms, PC Classic Cars, or you can follow us on our brand new website at pcclassiccars.com. And unfortunately, the split window vent broke down back there. Thanks again, everybody, and we'll see you guys on the next test drive video.